Gappsi installed a 16 by 36 A-frame pavilion in Merrick, New York. We installed a wood-burning fireplace in one end of the A-frame and veneered with clay brick. The client has a couch sitting area in front of the fireplace. The center is used for the table area, and the opposite side is a grill that we built with the Wolf aluminum cabinets and veneered with Eldorado stones. These are the woody looking planks from Eldorado. It's actually a cement board. The countertop, we use block granite in a leather finish with a stainless steel sink and a Delta grill. For the floor, we utilized the Melfi limestone, which was just sealed with a color enhancing sealer for the first coat, and then we applied a natural stone treatment as a sealer over the color enhancer.